Hi, I'm Elise from the CosBond workshop. In the last video, we added all of our armor details. In this video, I'm going to show you how I painted all of my pieces. I first sealed my pieces with several layers of rubberized coating. I went with about 4 to 5 layers of my rubberized coating to ensure that my armor would last. I then coated all of my pieces with an all-purpose brown spray paint. Because most of Astrid's armor is leather, the brown spray paint base would make it easier to paint over all the other colors. Once everything was dry, I went over it with a black acrylic paint. The acrylic paint gave it the leather look that I was going for. I used a paper towel to take off any of the excess paint. Now that we have all of our base colors done, we can start adding in the blues and light browns. I went with a teal metallic acrylic for the dragon scales. After several layers of teal, I added some variation to the scales with purple and green. This gave the armor a cool color changing effect. For the light browns, I mixed my own shade for her leather pieces. Once all of our paint is dry, we can go back with more blacks and browns to weather everything. Weathering is done by dry brushing a black and brown mixture and rubbing away any excess with the rag. Now that all our pieces are painted, in the next video we'll begin strapping everything and get them ready to wear. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.